Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your controller is showing wrong buttons on Steam. So now as you can see here I'm playing TK25 and I'm using PS4 controller, and I'm getting on the bottom, you should see that I'm getting Xbox basically buttons. So there is easy fix to that. What you need to do here is to close game. Then what you need to do here is to simply press on Steam. Then go to settings. On settings, you need to find your controller. In my case, it's PlayStation here. And then you should see PlayStation controller support and disable or not, make it not enabled. If you're using Xbox, just turn off this. And then what you need to do here, go to desktop layout, press edit. And on desktop layout as well, disable Steam input here, right? And then you need to go back to game and your controller buttons should be working. So as you can see here, guys, if we look on the bottom right, we can see that exit to desktop. Now it shows my PS4 controller buttons, and as well social, it's L1 plus R1, it's PS4 or PS5 controller buttons. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more.